Imagine having access to thousands of high-quality videos that you can use to make money, all without spending a single dollar. Today, I'm going to show you 4 methods and reveal 4 sources where you can obtain these free videos. I'll explain how to legally use these videos on platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, and I'll also show you how to turn these free resources into a lucrative income stream across multiple social media channels. Welcome back, beginner rock stars. I appreciate your loyalty and thank you for clicking play on this video. Welcome to the Rockstar Academy. There's a lot to cover, so let's jump in. But before we explore where to find these videos and how to profit from them, it's crucial to understand what you must avoid doing. There are plenty of tutorials out there suggesting you download videos from platforms like TikTok and simply re-upload them to YouTube. Do not do that. It's illegal if you don't modify the video significantly, and it will also prevent you from monetizing your content on platforms like YouTube. So, let's begin by discussing the first source for free videos. 1. Royalty-free videos. Royalty-free videos come with a few restrictions, but you can still use them for commercial purposes without spending any money. Websites like Pexels and Pixabay offer thousands of free videos that you can legally use, even without crediting the original videographer. Although I always recommend showing appreciation whenever you have the opportunity. This isn't plagiarism, and by following these guidelines, you ensure you're not infringing on anyone's copyright. For a practical example, consider the YouTube channel Scenic Scenes. This channel uses exactly this strategy to generate up to $15,000 a month solely through YouTube AdSense revenue. The channel, which has over 824,000 subscribers, features videos of wild animals accompanied by music. These videos are simple, just animals and music, but they clearly work. To create a similar video for free, all you have to do is visit one of these royalty-free video platforms. For instance, on Pexels, you can search for animals in the wild and choose from a wide range of options: giraffes, monkeys, snakes, birds, bears, foxes, and more. Download the video that suits your needs. If you plan to create long-form content on YouTube, select videos with a 16:9 aspect ratio. For Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts, choose videos with a more vertical orientation. Once you've downloaded the videos, consolidate them using a free editing tool like CapCut, iMovie for Apple users, or Canva. In many cases, you aren't really editing the videos, you're simply assembling them together. You might add a voiceover or captions, but the key is to include music. For YouTube videos, you can easily obtain free music by going to your YouTube studio and selecting the audio library, where you'll find a vast selection of royalty-free tracks that won't cause any copyright issues. After compiling your video with your chosen music and any additional elements, download your final product using your free editing tool. The next step is to create a new YouTube channel or use an existing one to upload your video. 2. Government websites. Another excellent source for royalty-free video content is government websites such as NASA. NASA's website features an archive of stunning, high-quality footage that you can legally use. By navigating to their video archives, you can access an incredible range of public domain videos. For example, there's a YouTube channel called Space Shorts that primarily focuses on short-form content using public domain footage from NASA and other similar sources. One video on their channel, featuring a space shuttle landing, has amassed over 18 million views. This demonstrates that with just a bit of creativity, such as adding minimal commentary, you can successfully leverage government-provided video content. 3. Content combination strategy. This strategy involves combining multiple short clips into one cohesive video. Think of the popular compilations on YouTube featuring cat or dog videos. The idea here is to take different clips, possibly from royalty-free sources like Pexels, Pixabay, or even from social media with the proper permissions, and merge them together. By adding elements like background music, simple transitions, and voiceovers, you can create a polished video that avoids copyright issues. The combination of different clips, when edited together with a consistent theme or message, can form engaging content that is both original and monetizable. 4. Repurposing long-form content. The fourth strategy is all about repurposing existing long-form content. This involves taking videos such as podcasts, webinars, or live streams and breaking them down into smaller, more digestible clips that your audience can easily consume and share. By doing this, you maximize the output from a single piece of content. For instance, imagine you've hosted a 90-minute webinar covering topics like social media marketing tips for small businesses, content creation, platform-specific strategies, ad management, and analytics. You can break this 90-minute session into several shorter segments, perhaps 9 segments of 10 minutes each, or even shorter clips focusing on specific actionable tips. Each clip should be optimized for its respective platform. You might add an introduction or conclusion, include captions for clarity, and even use trending sounds if posting on TikTok. If you're sharing on YouTube, consider creating a custom thumbnail and using dynamic captions for Instagram Reels. By re-uploading these short clips across various platforms such as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook Stories, and even LinkedIn, you can significantly increase your content's reach. Monetization potential. Let's talk numbers. Suppose you successfully execute this strategy and start making videos. To earn around $12,000 per month through YouTube AdSense alone, you'll need to average about 880,000 views per month, assuming an RPM revenue per 1,000 views of $5. Keep in mind that this won't happen overnight. It might take between 1 and 3 years to consistently reach that level of viewership and income. However, by combining multiple revenue streams, you can boost your monthly earnings. For example, on TikTok, the Creator Fund might earn you between 0.2 to 0.4 cents per 1,000 views, meaning a viral clip could generate anywhere from $200 to $400. Sponsorships and affiliate deals can add another layer of income. Brands may pay from $500 up to $11,000 for a sponsored video. Additionally, you might create courses or offer consultation services using your video content to drive traffic and generate further revenue. When you add it all together, from YouTube AdSense to TikTok earnings, sponsorships, and other revenue sources, it's feasible to achieve a monthly income of around $112,000 if every component is scaled up. Remember, successful content creators often stand on the shoulders of those who came before them. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. With consistency, creativity, and dedication, you can build your brand and start earning a significant income over time. In fact, I was able to reach a point of earning $12,000 per month within just 1 year of applying these strategies.